rare 4-bedroom smart home penthouse with private rooftop in Asoke, Bangkok.
This exclusive 4-bedroom duplex penthouse at Wind Sukhumvit 23 offers 192 square meters of luxury living plus a private 125 square meter rooftop with a verified triplex expansion option, a unique opportunity in the heart of Asoke.
Fully automated electrical system, golden teak flooring, and imported furnishings create a true high-end residence. Located within walking distance of MRT Sukhumvit, BTS Asoke, and Terminal 21, this property combines space, privacy, and central convenience. Property details. Location: Sukhumvit 23, Asoke. Size: 192.09 square meters inside plus 125 square meters rooftop. Potential total of 317.09 square meters. Bedrooms: 4. Bathrooms: 3. Ownership: foreign freehold quota available. Floor: high floor duplex with private rooftop access. View: unblocked east-facing views. Highlights: 12 square meter exclusive rooftop, expandable to triplex layout, hot in title deed and no common fee if not used. Fully automated smart home electrical system, 1 million plus upgrade. Golden teak flooring and imported design of furniture. 4 parking spaces, 2 fixed and 2 non-fixed. Easy walk to BTS Asoke, MRT Sukhumvit, and Terminal 21 Asoke. Why this property makes sense. This penthouse represents a rare low-risk, high-reward investment. The 125 square meter rooftop area is fee-free until used, allowing buyers to own future expansion potential without immediate costs. Modernized interiors and a fully automated system transform this 2009 building into a turnkey smart home. The freehold quota and generous parking make it ideal for wealthy foreign and Thai end users seeking space and customization in Asoke's central business district. Are you interested? Contact CondoDee for this or other properties in Bangkok that make sense. See our contact details on the top of the screen as usual. Wind Sukhumvit 23 is a high-rise condominium offering luxurious and spacious living in Bangkok's Asoke district.
Completed in 2008 by Major Development Public Company Limited, the project features a modern architectural style and a comprehensive suite of amenities, making it ideal for professionals, families, and investors. With its prime location, residents enjoy effortless access to major transport hubs and a vibrant urban lifestyle, making it a sought-after Sukhumvit 23 property for sale.
Facilities at Wind Sukhumvit 23. Infinity swimming pool overlooking Bangkok. Fully equipped gymnasium. 24-hour security and CCTV surveillance. All-day shuttle bus service to Sukhumvit Road. Children's area. Dedicated office room. Interested to live in Wind Sukhumvit 23? Contact CondoDee for this or other properties in Bangkok that make sense. See our contact details on the top of the screen as usual.